I had a feeling that you're holding my heart, and I know that it is true.
Mamaya na lang ako.
You wouldn't let it be broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together, no one can break us apart.
Bitin ako.
For our love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. When the night comes and you're deep in your heart, and how I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you true and true. You're a sweet and a lover. We are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. Kahit hiwalig ng buwan sa gabi, di ko na masisipan. Isa lang ang nahihiling kaya sa buhay, na ikaw ang liwanag sa buhay ko. Di ko pansin ang bango ng hasmin pagkapiling ka sinta. Kahit gagad at ang dami ng rosas, hindi matataranta. Isa lang
Ay.
nagtataglay ng halimuya, at ikaw at tanging ikaw sinta. Ikaw ang tunay na ligaya, tanging ikaw sinta. Umaga hapon kahit magdamag, laging ikaw sinta. Hindi magsasawa sa piling mo. I call you
Maylin ako din.
and you call me. It's funny how we get on so easily. We're just friends. You got your, I got mine, and friends are all we ever could be.
Ikaw ang tunay na.
But we're getting to know each other a little too well. We're starting to show our feelings, and people can tell. Every time that your eyes meet mine, I have like a neon sign. Yes, we're getting to know each other a little too well.
Ito video! Naka-invite kasi yan eh. Hindi pa yun makatayo
And
kasi.
the dreams that could you make it alone? If I could, then I would. I'd go wherever you will go. Way up high, or down low. I'll go wherever you will go. And maybe I'll find out the way you make it back someday. I watch you to guide you through the darkest of your day. If a great rain should fall, it would fall upon the shore. Well, I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. If I could, then I would. I'd go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'd go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart, run away with my home, run away with my love.
Ayun, okay na, nakabidyo na pa. Ay, may boses. Kuya, wala ka na.
Stop, stop.
Kung kaya tayo ay pinagtagpo, napanatili ang kapalaran mo ako. Sana ay gawin ang puso mo. Noong una ay hindi mo gusto.
First time ko naman eh.
May ibang pangarap ka, kaya ka na hindi makikita kung saan kadahilan ng puso mo. Sana mo ang pag-ibig ko'y sa'yo. Lumipas ang araw at parang kay tagal. Puso't ko'y wala.
Tagal nung titig.
Araw-araw hinihintay, harap lamang ang pinagin mo. Makamahal mo rin ako.
Stop na ba? Ate, napili ko na lahat yan. Tama na, overexposure na yan. Tama na.
Nasaan ni Papa to? Grabe, titig natin. Pinili kong imutin ka, pinili kong umibig sa iba. Akala ko'y naglaho na, hindi pala, hindi pala. Hindi ko maintindihan, ano na nga ba ang naging dahilan? Nagkasundong magkahiwalay, ngayon ako'y nalulumbay Sana ay malaman mong ikaw pa rin ang nilalaman ng puso ko at damdamin. Di pa rin nagbabago ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo hanggang ngayon, hanggang ngayon. Sana ay maisip mo ako'y mahal pa rin at ilangan sa akin ang puso't damdamin. Darating din ang araw, ang kapiling ay ikaw sa buhay ko, sa buhay ko. Oh. Good. Okay na. Okay na. Iba naman, iba naman.